That's where we went.
Fireworks.
You gotta ask them for it though. They don't have them on the show.
He pulls them out of the drawer behind the fucking
Yeah, I was like,
Fireworks
hey,
are gonna be
They look
fireworks.
like little paper footballs. He's like, yeah, I get some of those. And he pulled them out the drawer.
How much are those? Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, fireworks. 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 What is Isaiah doing? What is that?
I'm letting you run the candle.
It's purple. Light it down, like, oh my god.
Here, light.
I don't want to. Taking a video, Anthony, for fireworks. Sparklers. Sparklers.
all that stuff, please, honey.
Oh, yeah.
fireworks right
Oh, my
there.
God. And your mother.
Oh god, that'd be horrible.
Yeah.
That would be horrible.
Thank you, Nicole.
Everyone has 96
I
shots.
don't think ladies would want to pass it up.
That's it right next to you.
Running that over.
Fireworks.
My toe, I just burnt my toe.
Fireworks. Fireworks. And sparklers and stuff. And my older brother had snakes around here somewhere. And I just stepped on one or something.
That one's lit. Hold this.
Where are the snakes that you had? Am I doing
No,
it?
it's lit.
Huh?
Lit already.
A Roman candle. My older brother is going to be doing a Roman candle.
Alright, Javi, you don't need to narrate what I'm doing.
Wait, so this one's broken, right?
Yeah, that one's used.
Okay. Roman candle. Roman candle.
I don't.
Roman candle.
Watch out. I don't wanna. By the side.
Yeah, fireworks. Fireworks. Fireworks.